We have Solana Airdrops to go and check your allocation, many airdrops to go and earn, and a few to go and claim. So with that said, we jump straight onto the laptop. First thing first is a new protocol that you probably have not heard of, and this is the Lanca bridging mechanism. So what does it do? Well, as the name says, Lanca, it's over on the bridging side. So what you gotta do? Well, we have the possibility to bridge between 4 chains. It is at the very early stages, which is why I really like it. And this is a entry point for everybody. They have confirmed their token generation event. They have confirmed their airdrop. And with what? Well, as we see over here, we have a point system, and also the founder has talked about it. So how do you participate in this? Very simple. You pick between 4 chains and you simply bridge, like we have done with all of the other bridges. So for example, let's go and do Ethereum from base to Arbitrum, and we go over here and we put 0.28445, let's say, okay? So something like this. So we will go and bridge them. And as we see over here, it is at the very early stages, so give them time. They are developing. They go and follow them on Twitter because they are bringing in a lot of updates, and they have a very nice vision of the protocol itself, of what they want to do. So it takes a little bit, yes, we are at the very early stages, but as we see here, I am farming it. I'm getting the points. We got the daily swaps possibility, the Twitter boost as well, which earns you point. We got a few quests for OG, 100,000 points, 150 points, 500 points, as we see over here, to swap X amount of point, and this point resets every 6 days. So all you gotta do is simply go and do your swaps, as we see over here, and go and collect your points. This is the bridge preview, normal like everything else. Simply click on bridge swaps, signature is required, bridge them, 13 cents, and we're good to go. So this is as easy as it is. It works amazingly well, it works super nice, and I am super happy to have found this. Not many people talk about it, not many people know about Lanca yet. It will go mainstream very soon because they have some very nice updates that they will bring. And here it is. The swap has been successfully done, and then you can go and do more. As we see over here, 0.284. You go and do more, and you will have the possibility to collect your points, do the daily quest, do the weekly task, collect points on a protocol based, and we are as good as that. So make sure to do everything that you need. Make sure to go and do all of the missions that you want to do. Link will be down below. There's no referral link, so simply go straight to it. And it is not an influencer protocol, it is not an influencer airdrop. This is the more you do, the more you get. Simple as that. The more you provide, the better it is. Simple as that. And here we go. So we got our swaps, we got our token, and we can go and grab all of this later on. Following up, we follow with 2 NFT over on Zora. These are 2 tokenless protocol. The first one is the year we built base. Here is based and yellow, the official account, and it is a tokenless protocol of a possibility both for base, Coinbase layer 2, and the rights over here. So simply go and buy it. We can go and grab ourselves one. As we see over here, it is a $3 with the Uniswap fee of 0.3 cent, as well as we do have the blooming connection. So pick and choose whichever one you like. This one has a time limit, and then it will be mintable in a different way. So we can go and grab this one over on Zora. You can do it on base, on Arbitrum, on Zora, whichever you want. I'll go and do it over on Zora here. We change the networks, we click on mint, and we go and grab it for 35 cents or whatever it is. So not much at all. So make sure to go and grab yours. I will leave you both 2. If you can grab 2 of them, amazing. If you can't, make sure to check the one that you want. Blooming is, this one is a V3 in the horizon, which is a tokenless protocol. And as we see here, a lot of people know about it and a lot of people wanna mint it. Following up, we have my daily Hyperliquid trade. How is it going? Well, I opened a trade yesterday, another risky one for like 50 quid over on Bitcoin long. I wanna set at 103,000. I'm yet at 27% loss, downfall, but don't follow my trade. But if you want to come and trade, we have the season 2 airdrop coming very soon. We have, as we see here, the point system is going to be updated very soon. As of right now, it is 0 for all of us. All of my followers over here and everybody that have participated, which we are able to go and see here on the volume spent. If we go through the volume spent, all of these people will be eligible for the airdrop because they are creating volume, they are creating fees, and so on, as well as the possibility of stacking. Now you can stake if you want to. This will be a requirement for the season 2 airdrop. If you got the Hyperliquid token, make sure to go and stake them. If not, buy a little and then go and stake it. We see here my portfolio. I am trading these 30 days over here. Overall, I have like $400,000 in volume. Overall, now I got $234,000 for this week. And I also put some money on the vault with a 16% APR, as we see over here, to go and touch a little bit of base on everything. But if you wish, the link is down below. Come and trade on Hyperliquid, which it is nice and important in my opinion for this season 2. It is coming really, really soon. And yes, we also have the Hyperlane airdrop information coming in just a second, so make sure to stay until the end. Following up, we have the Phantom update. Now, just a quick interruption, guys. I want to thank Coin Vigilante for this amazing watch, as we see over here. You can go and grab yours. It is all a Bitcoin related watch that they do have on the website. They have some amazing one. I took the black ceramic, as you see, very nice with the skeleton back as well with the Bitcoin logo on the front. I do like them. They have a variety of different watches. They are not expensive at all. You can purchase them through directly the link down below. So make sure to go and grab them because they are really lovely. And as we see here, I do love mine. I have it. I've been having it for a year over. And sometimes I just like to say thank you to them. So this is how the watch looks on my wrist. Very, very nice, I think. Looks amazing. So yeah, definitely go and grab yours as well on the link. A little bit controversial in terms that here we see that they have set the followers count and all of that, which if you wish, come and follow me over on Phantom. It is very, very easy. All you gotta do is simply open your Phantom wallet as well on the mobile app and search over here, search for crypto with Lorenzo and simply come and follow me as a creator. Simple as that. You can do this from the phone. It is way easier. Come and follow me, but doesn't mean that it's gonna be an airdrop or not. Well, the speculation was yes, and here we have some clarification from Phantom. We've seen some speculation about an airdrop tied to this feature. So to clarify, we do not have any plans to launch a token, but we're incredibly excited about this social discovery on Phantom and are actively working on ways to make it something everybody loves. They are saying there is gonna be no airdrop, but you know, could be something about the airdrop. Everybody says there's going to be no airdrop. Everybody says this and that. But as of right now, it is testified by them that yes, there will be no airdrop coming in the near future. Following up, we have the Plaza Finance. Now, this is a daily reminder for all of you, if you have already participated in Plaza Finance, to go and do your transaction, get your test tokens, and go and do all your and leverage. But if you did not participate, it is time to join because this is on a testnet and it's one of the most hyped up token in the coming year 2025. It is going to be released also on Base. And how do you participate if you're new and you have not yet been part of it? Well, it is very, very simple. All you gotta do is to the link down below, you will be redirected over here, get your test tokens. You can get it once per day, already done mine. And then with your test tokens, go to earn and leverage over here. And you gotta buy with the token that you receive. You can buy the bond ETH and then you sell them. And you sell the bond ETH for ETH. You do the same over on leverage. You buy, as you see here, and you sell for, I would suggest you switch it up to the USDC because you do get both the WST ETH and the USDC token. You get them both on the testnet and make sure to do all of that. And as we see over here, if we go to my portfolio or to my Plaza better, over here, we see that the total points and rewards, we see that you can do one a day, which it is right here, 4 points one time a day for creating a bond token, redeem a bond token, which it is to earn and sell over on the leverage and on the earning mechanism. And then we got the create leverage token, redeem leverage token. These are the 4 ways to go and make money and to go and make the points. These points will be calculated on the leaderboard, as we see over here. The leaderboard will be calculated on a point system and everybody kind of earn the same. So the more sooner you are, the better it is. And yes, you still have plenty of time to go and do it. You got the multipliers to connect in Discord, Twitter, email, Farcaster, Discord level up, contest participation, and way more. So you're still in time. It is still a testnet. So the link will be down below. Come and join. And as we see over here from the point rewards as well, you do have some NFT that you go and grab, which are free to go and earn. We got the point-based NFT. So at 50 points, you get the first one, 100 points, you get the second one, 200 points, you get the third one, 300 points, you get the fourth one, and now I'm working towards my 500 points to get the fifth one, and then you go all the way to 1,500 points. Very, very simple, straightforward. Just remember, come every day, do your task, get a nice multiplier, scale to the level, and you're good to go. As we see over here, I do them on a daily basis, 4th, 3rd, 2nd of January. Every day, I simply come here and I put my work into place. Following up, we have the Community Gaming Token Generation Event update. The Community Gaming CGX Token Generation Event has been postponed from January 7 in 3 days to January 28, which means that you have 24 extra days to stack up as many keys as possible. The more keys, the bigger the airdrop. This is the link to the website down below if you wish to go and participate and be part of it, you can simply go and sign up. For example, let's continue with Twitter, which everybody has. You sign up through the link down below, and you still have time to go and grab yourself this airdrop. You got 28 more days to go and do it. So we have, as of right now, 24 days in totals. It is the January 4th, and you go on January 28th. So 24 more days to go and grab yourself this airdrop and simply start accumulating keys, start accumulating token by utilizing the protocol, which it is very nice. And as we see over here, once it loads, you will be able to enter. And from entering over here, simply sign up with your email or with your username, enter email, for example, anything that you want, and then confirm the sign up, and you are good to go. You gotta do and recognize, you got the CX token and all of them goodies. Following up, we have the Solana Sonic airdrop checker is now live. And as we see over here, we can check your eligibility through the website down below. As you see here, I'm not eligible, but I will leave the link to go and check yours down below. The claiming will end in 33 days, and we see that the option 1 on claiming the token, you have 2 options to claim. Claim 60% now, invest the remaining 40% over 6 months for 140% bonus, or claim 100% immediately without any bonus. So you can go and claim this airdrop right now. You can go and check your allocation and claim it. And if you do have it, this is the page that it is going to be represented with, and you are good to go. Very easy, straightforward. Claim now to get a bonus of 40% if you invest over 6 months, or simply claim now 100% and you are good to go. Talking about a Solana airdrop, here we have the Nodepay airdrop. Now, as we see over here, make sure you're still in time to go and participate in the airdrop. We got the season 3 coming in. Absolutely yes. And we see here that I am grabbing mine on a daily basis. I'm utilizing the point system. I am doing it on a nice juicy protocol. We got missions and reward for you to go and do, which it is very, very important. Got a 7-day streaks and many missions to go and claim. Super easy to go and do. And are you still in time for this airdrop? Absolutely yes. As we see over here, we got the earning of the season 0, season 1, and season 2, which will be the first airdrop to go and claim, which as of right now, we have the calculating of the season 2, we have the airdrop checker of the season 0 and 1, which for me is 1,915, plus we were calculating the season 2, and this will be the first batch of airdrops, which is going to be allocated to the community. You then have the possibility, as we are right now, to go and earn yourself the season 3, season 4, and further on. Their aim is kind of like what grass used to be. So the grass airdrop, we all know the grass airdrop, it is still here. I'm still farming it. The aim of Nodepay is to be bigger than grass. Now they can do it. They go over, I believe it is like the last round was $7 million in funding. So I believe between $10 million in funding, it's there. The token price for Nodepay, as it seems right now, it is at 44 cents per token, which this is on the whales market. This is not accurate. This is not what it is going to be. This is always something to take with a bit of salt to go and see on the whales market. But as of right now, we're trading for 44 cents. So could be juicy, could be better than grass, potentially, but we will see. Following up, we have the Hyperlane airdrop, which is also incoming, which we have talked about at the beginning of the video. And here we go, the Hyperlane CEO and founder, John Cole, just dropped a poll on Twitter, which it is this one over here. And I have a Hyperlane dedicated video over on my channel, so you can go and check that one. But we see here that we had the possibility to vote for the ticker. And seems like the community has voted for Hyper with a 59.1% token. So it does look like the token generation event is coming very, very close. Has the snapshot been taken or not? Haven't said anything yet. So the best way to do, go and check out my video on my channel, or you will see it also over here comparing at the top. And make sure to go and farm your Hyperlane airdrop because it is very, very important. Or better, I could go and publish the better version of the Hyperlane token or the airdrop, how to go and claim it tonight or tomorrow night. So I will do a day where I will post double videos for you to go and do this airdrop as you need to go and do it. Following up, we have the story protocol tokenomics has been revealed. The Genesis allocation is 1 billion token. As we see over here, the story Genesis allocation will consist of 1 billion token distributed among ecosystem participants, the foundation, investors, and the core team. Token for investor, the core team, and a portion of those of this foundation and ecosystem will start out locked. So very, very important and very interesting for all of it. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I will see you in tomorrow's one. Ciao, guys.